We didn't lose silence, we sold it. And now we wonder why our minds sound like markets.
There was once a silence between our thoughts. We traded it for scrawls of noise. Screens wake us at midnight and keep us from the quiet that grows ideas. Notifications whisper, then shout, until the inner room is full of strangers. We used to look up at stars, at stories, and remember how small and vast we were at once. Now we look down and remember only our habits. A man I know wakes early to check the feed, then wonders why his mornings feel shorter. The trade is real. Connection and knowledge, yes, but also attention rented out in pieces. The machine gives news and companionship, yet takes the silence that breeds thought. It hands us wonder in headlines and sells us back our focus in crumbs. There is benefit. We hold the world slide in a palm. We learn, we organize, we meet. But the balance has shifted. If we never practice the silence, we forget how to hold the sky. The parable is simple. A village once watched the stars together. One night, they all traded the roof for a lamp that never went out. They could see, but they stopped naming constellations. Habit replaced ritual. Convenience replaced meaning. So what do? We reclaim small rooms of silence, pauses, walks, no screen mornings, not as punishment, but as recovery. 1 minute of unscrolling can reset the horizon of your day. Technology is a tool. Attention is the craft it uses. Choose which you serve. If you want the sky back, start with one evening of looking up, offline, uninterrupted. The quiet will be a small revolution. The world grows again where silence is practiced.